Hey, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Stu. This is my 1984 motorhome. As you saw in the last video, which I'll insert here, you can see that the bathroom ceiling needed a bit of work. So that was pretty much the first project that we tackled. And as you can see here, this is what it looked like. So me and my dad today already took that apart, and we're going to redo the roof with pine. And now me and my dad, I mean, pretty much my dad, I was the helper basically in this situation. We ended up putting up pine. So, I mean, it's not quite clean, but it is done now. So as you can see, we redid it with pine. Much nicer. It even lightened it up a bit instead of having that dark brown ceiling. But yeah, we got the pine in there now. This cord, I got to figure out what to do with it. There's no plugins in that room. So there was cord holes drilled. I think I might make it run up along this edge of this wall. Pin it up along there. Over to there. I haven't really quite fully decided yet. We were going to put it in the ceiling. But the problem is if we would have put it there, we would have had to drill holes through the beams, and didn't really want to do that. So we ended up just leaving it for now, and we'll come back to that. I don't plan on using the bathroom much anyway, so I can kind of just like prop this up or whatever for now. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, I mean, as of that, the bathroom's pretty much good to go. There's no leaks. We got the fan up there. It's all good. I love the way it looks. It's pretty awesome. And I might as well show you one other short little project we did this week. I wanted somewhere to put my laptop, because this is like my bed area, kind of. Tegan will usually probably be sleeping up there, but this is my bed area. And I wanted somewhere where I could, instead of having to lay my laptop or iPad beside me in the bed, I wanted to have a little spot for it. I don't have the laptop on it right now, but I assure you it's made to hold the laptop. Got the iPad on it right now. I built it purposely on an angle like this, as you can see. Basically just because I wanted it to be able to see the keyboard of the laptop and then have the screen so I can tilt it how I want depending on how I'm laying in bed. Because depending on how high or low you are in bed, changes the view of the screen. So this way, when I have it like this, I can tilt it back more, or I can tilt it way down low, and nothing will cut off any of the screen, even if I tilt it down low. Another thing I really like about this is it's not solid. Well, it's solid, obviously, but it's not, I don't even know the word I'm looking for. What's the word I'm looking for? Stationary? I don't know. Anyway, this is what I can do. This is just propped in here, as you can see. I know it's not the fanciest job, but it works perfectly fine, and it costs me nothing. I can take this out, and it folds flat against the wall, which is super handy, and it's nice and easy. There's no messing around. If I want to put it back up, boom, put it back up there, put that in there, put that there, and we're done. Just a simple little project, but those simple little projects make life better. So there's been a lot of tinkering around, little stuff here and there, but we're pretty much ready to go. I'm waiting on a battery, which should be here tomorrow, and the water pump. So the water pump is the next thing that I have to do. That's going to be a bit of a pain. Won't be too bad though. Replace the water pump, which is under the seat over there, and the battery's an easy swap. I did also install the solar, as you can see here. I got the eco-worthy solar setup. I'll go over more about the solar setup at some point, but I got it hooked up right now. And it's currently charging with just one solar panel, 100 watt. I do have two, but I just got one up there for now. But yeah, I just wanted basically to show you guys the progress in the bathroom, and we'll stay tuned for the next one to see more progress. So appreciate you watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Peace.